decided to replace a bathroom faucet in my lower half of my house. It's just a half bath. I have a very ugly, boring one that came with the house. I saw this on Amazon. It was $48 and they had a $23 off coupon. So I paid $25 for a pretty nice looking bathroom faucet. So I just want to make a quick video and give my opinion on if I think it's worth it. I'll show you the before and after I install it. But let's see what you get for $25, which is extremely cheap. If you were looking at something like this that was made by Kohler or Delta, you're looking at easily, I'd say $100, if not more. So this company is Wowow. They're on Amazon. They make kitchen faucets as well. And I said, you know, let's just try it for 25 bucks. It can't be that bad, right? So I have no idea if this is gonna be good quality, if it's gonna leak or anything like that. That's the whole purpose of this video. I'm trying to make this a really quick video and we'll see what we think. All right, one thing I noticed in the pictures when I bought this, you get a lot of stuff for $25. You get the drain, along with the lines in the back that go behind the faucet to pop it up and down. And this drain will match the color of your faucet. And surprisingly, you actually get the water lines too. This is something that you usually don't get with faucets. And then you sometimes have to pick these up for a good $8 to $12 each at the hardware store. They even give you Teflon tape, which is extremely rare. Not many people give you that, even though it's very cheap stuff. Here's all the little hardware and accessories you need to install it. They even give you some white gloves so you don't get fingerprints on the faucets. Of course we have to put these on, right? Like, why wouldn't you? These are pretty sick. Of course you get the manual, how to install it and all that. A little bit of protection. And let's go ahead and check out the faucet itself. Nicely packaged, nicely protected. Of course with the gloves, which I think is silly. You don't really need gloves for this, but you know, it costs the company maybe a penny or two to throw these in. I can kind of appreciate that. So here's this simple faucet. I believe this is just brushed stainless steel. Very good looking faucet for a bathroom, in my opinion. 2 handles. This thing does swivel all the way around, which is nice. And you'll see in a second what I'm replacing. This is beautiful compared to what I have in there now. And it's just a very simple install. You pop this through your holes. A lot of these are going to be 3 holes. This sits in there. You take the included adapters, you screw them on, you screw on the water lines, and you're pretty much good to go. So I'll show you again a before and after once this is installed. But so far for $25, seems like an absolute no-brainer, but we'll see once it's installed and if it leaks or anything like that, which I highly doubt it will, but we'll find out soon. I just think even at the $48 price, it still seems very cheap for what seems like a pretty good high quality metal faucet. And with the $23 off coupon they currently have, I mean, I had to buy it. I tried to buy 3. Or actually I was gonna buy 4 of them, but unfortunately the coupon was only good for 1. You can even do this, how cool. I'm just kidding. This hole in the back is for the rod that helps lift up and down your drain hole. So let me get this installed and I will be back and show you the before and after. Actually, here is the sink I currently have. And here is the sink it's going to be replacing. This thing is very ugly, very boring, very cheap. Of course it works fine. Do I need to replace it? No. But once again, for 25 bucks, I was like, why not? It's going to make the whole bathroom look completely different. So stay tuned for the before and after. And if you're new, please do me a favor, like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Alright, there we have it. Super easy to install. Took maybe 15-20 minutes total. No leaks, nothing like that. Seems to work really good. I did not change the drain plug yet. That's not as important to me, so I may not ever change that, but someday maybe, but that's what it looks without. I'd say for 25 bucks, even 48. Pretty good looking faucet, I must say. And it actually feels like, I don't know why, but it feels like there's a lot more pressure now. Like a lot more than it was. Not sure why. Maybe it's just because it's new. And this thing also swivels, which I really actually like. So, first impressions, super easy to install, feels like really good quality. Price is extremely cheap. And I think it looks much better than the cheap one that was in here, so pretty happy. What do you guys think? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.